Howling Pages.
Yes. And the owner was obviously, he was the owner.
He was the owner.
He knew everything from from the minute you walked in through the door all the way to the end.
So Howling Pages is an independently owned single store. There's just one of them. Most of their stuff are indie books, true indie books,
Yep.
like self-printed,
Like-
self-Xeroxed.
Yes, and there's some that are like signed by the author themselves.
And there's art prints,
Yes.
there's pieces of art. Like some of the books are only like that big.
And even though I'm not into manga, I ended up buying some art prints because
Yeah.
they were beautiful.
But I spent way too much money there.
We're not going to say the number.
I have already devoured half the books.
Did you enjoy it?
So like, I love trying new things and I love reading things I would have never seen otherwise. So yes, for that fact, I enjoyed every single part of it. Were the stories good? That doesn't really matter. But it's experience and it's a story and this great experience that I had. Like I would have liked to have bought some stuff, but then I started talking to the owner and I'm like, tell me about your story. And he starts telling me about like how they started a Kickstarter. They opened it from the Kickstarter money. Like that was the whole point of doing
Right,
the Kickstarter.
right.
And like he wanted to have a place where artists could have like a beacon of hope to sell their stuff. And I was like, take all my money.
Instead of going to a publisher, like they go to him.
It kind of shook me. And that's why I was like, okay, you are giving back to this community, this artist community.
Yep. So not only do you feel good about supporting the artist, you feel good about supporting the store who's supporting the artist.
So I didn't mind paying a little extra for other stuff. I didn't ask for a discount. That's why I pushed for no discount. And I was like, what else can I get of your company that goes money toward you?
Yep.
Because I want to fund that. I want to put my money where my mouth is.
Yep.
If I'm constantly saying support art community, I should be paying money for the people who are actually doing it.
Yep.
So that was outstanding.
Mm-hmm.
I love that store so much. So if you're endeared to the person,
Yep.
i.e. the CEO sitting in a bubble bath,
Mm-hmm.
you're gonna connect more.
I put that in the shopping cart and then I went
did.
to, yep.
You
And
did.
then now it's on reorder on Amazon.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, because that's what I use. That's what I use now. It's ridiculous. He had me hook, line, and sinker. Sinker? Yes.
Brian Singer. I hate Brian Singer.
That's it.